Next up, we're taking a look at a classic American entrepreneurial story. Started in 1978 by two brothers working from their father's business locale, IPP is now a global provider of complete process plants and used process equipment, focused on buying and selling assets in the chemical, petrochemical, pharmaceutical, refining, paper, plastic, and power generation industries worldwide. Ron Gale is president of IPP, and he joins us right now on Talk Business 360. Ron, welcome.
Thanks. Good to be here.
Ron, tell us, what exactly does IPP do?
IPP purchases plants that manufacturers no longer have a need for, and our business model has three legs to it. The first leg is we'll purchase a complete plant with the land, the buildings, the equipment, the intellectual property, and sometimes we'll even take on the environmental remediation. The second part of our business is sometimes a complete plant doesn't shut down and only one process within a complex shuts down. We'll purchase that one process and sell it elsewhere in the world where it makes sense to operate. And the third leg of our business is some of our customers will close plants because they're looking to take product out of the marketplace to firm up product prices, and they don't want to see a plant show up in India or China or other countries making that same product. So we'll agree not to sell it as a plant, and we'll only sell it as its major pieces of equipment. And in that case, we'll sell the dryers and blenders and mixers and reactors and chillers and boilers to all different kinds of industry. Most of the assets that we own are in Europe and the United States. We've got a customer base of about 160,000 customers that have been gathered and refined and re-refined over a 35 or 36-year period of business.
So is IPP a broker?
No, we're not a broker. I would say less than 2% of our sales are something where we broker for somebody. We'll buy for our own account or we'll invest money to control a plant. And then we actually only sell what we either control, have exclusives on, or what we own and then sell.
And what sort of benefits does a company get when it sells its processing equipment?
Basically, a lot of companies, or the normal route, is a company will have a plant, they'll shut it down. They will then transfer some equipment internally, maybe sell some equipment, then demolish the plant, and then actually do the remediation. Closing down a plant in that way could take 4 years. And here's the issue with that. Most times they become negative projects. And the reason is that to carry a plant could easily be $2.4 million a year times 4 years is $9.6 million just in carry costs. When we come in, we write a check, we buy the plant, we pay for it, and then we take on all those obligations. So in dealing with us, they're able to cut 4 years out of managing a project and concentrate on their main core business, and they actually get money for projects that at the end of 4 years will usually cost them a lot of money.
Now, Ron, with all that said, what are the benefits of companies that buy this equipment used rather than new?
The benefits are tremendous. Normally, in a mature industry, there shouldn't be more than 5% difference in the price or delivery time between two competitors. The benefits that we're able to bring to our customers and the value proposition we're able to bring to our customers are immense. Our competitor really is new suppliers of plants and equipment. 95% of all projects, all capital projects, are with new equipment and new plants. So with a used plant, our customers can get into operation in half the time that they can with a new plant. And the cost will be somewhere between 50 to 60% the cost of new. So most of our customers would not be able to justify the project of a new plant. So they would not be able to expand their business if they had to base it on brand new. And the value proposition that we bring allows them to go ahead and expand their business where they couldn't ordinarily.
Well, Ron, it just makes a lot of sense. Thanks for joining us on the program today.
Thank you.
For more information, visit IPPE.com. Once again, that URL is IPPE.com.